Hi, this is Yu from Conducting Music. Nice to see you again. Today's video is about the Scratch Junior Easter card Part 2. This video is sponsored by Shine Trust UK. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. So, what I want to do is stop the fly by doing something. First, you need to choose fly. I'm gonna use this block, which is this letter, orange letter. This sent the letter to somebody else. And Bunny received the letter. And this yellow block, this is it. So receiving the letter. Once Bunny received the letter, Bunny move away. Let's see if it's work or not. Hi, Bunny. Step back. Works. So let's add speech to Bunny. So once the bunny touched the fly, hi bunny, hi fly. This is how it works, how we can move away the things. Next, at the end of this movement, we want to move to next backdrop. So in the red, you can see that the exactly same picture with second backdrop. So I'm gonna put this at the end of this letter. So bunny go back there. When the bunny touches fly, fly say hi bunny, hi fly, switch backdrop. So let's add the fly and the bunny in here too. I want them to move in this non-gravity together, same time. So I'm gonna start from this flag. So bunny start from flag. Maybe yes. Jump. Move up. And you can change the how many times bunny moves like this. So bunny spins too. So let's see. Like this. Yeah, it's nice, it works. And also I'm gonna put the exactly same beginning on fly. Ah, it's nice. Well, either we can just make exactly same things twice, or we can always use in orange this repetition block. So connect like this. So fly, can you go back? If I click the flag, this is good. So for the Easter bunny, I want to do same. That's it. So beginning will be like this. Let's see what's gonna happen. So if you want to check, this is a full screen. So click this. Easter card in space. So I think so far that's it. For the last part, I need to save this Easter card. So this is it. This yellow part on the top right. Click. If you click this project 1, this is the title of the card. That's it. And when you go back to the home, here it is, Easter card Yui is here. Okay, so far that's it. Easy Easter card on Scratch Junior. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you try at your home. And thank you so much and see you again soon. And thank you so much for showing trust. We are currently developing the Stage 1 Early Years project. Thank you. Bye.